Just then, she's
Hmm?
it's on me.
You can put things in the background? Okay.
Yep.
Money.
I have the need to feel close.
That's not okay! That's not approachable!
Anyways, you have to look serious. Okay, but we rearranged the words to I kissed a girl to I kissed a boy. And I liked it. You want to sing it?
Sure. Both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or should we do both of them? Yeah, we'll do both of them.
The audience says yes!
You guys. Right there. In the computer.
Right there in my screen.
Where all our friends are. That's right.
I'm being dumped by Monica.
I'm Joe.
Oh, what's
Imbo.
Embo?
Finally, she got some senses.
Viwamba. We're not funny when we try.
We're not.
Like Carolyn said. Oh, we're dedicating this to Carolyn.
Yes.
Yes,
I hope we're funny.
because we're not usually.
She's like, I'm gonna follow you around with the camera so that way you can actually be funny on camera.
Because apparently we're not funny when we're on camera.
So now I'm off the camera, so now I'm funny.
Look at that face. Those eyebrows.
Oh, I don't even want to go there.
What if this was my ear hair?
Ew. It's a spider. Alfred the Second. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh yeah, of the women 62 different
She ate my pet spider! My first one got smashed by a hammer. Which, okay.
I got it.
If you were a spider, we want to hear back on this. This is a poll. If you were a spider, what would be the way you would want to go? Having Vsauce eat you, or being smashed by a hammer? That's gross. That thing's been on the ground.
Hey, hey, hey. It's Fat Albert.
And Anorexia Tomato! And Bulimic Betty!
Thanksgiving is soon.
Yes!
I'm really excited.
So we can eat a lot and it'll be socially acceptable.
Yep.
Oh, Vsauce! Do you have any fart sauce?
Well, yes, I think I might.
Your fart sauce just landed on me.
Yummy. We were just informed that was supposed to be green smoke,
For when you fart. Except you fart clouds.
not shirts.
Oh my god! If I farted a shirt, I would think I would fart all the time and not care what people thought. Like, I want a new shirt. What should I wear today? Woo!
What if little farts were jeans and big farts were shirts, or
I would
vice
have a lot.
versa?
Let's make the little farts jeans, because I need
Yeah.
more of those.
Little farts are now jeans and big farts are shirts. Yep.
Awesome.
I was gonna say something about wet ones, but that would have been wrong.
Those are bathing suits.
Wet ones are bathing suits.
I thought it was logical. What if you pooped out heels?
Those are the big ones that hurt.
The shoes. If you're getting all these new clothes, you have to get new shoes. It only makes sense. Shoes.
That could be.
Let's poop some shoes. These shoes are taking a while.
These shoes are taking a while.
It'll be worth it.
Let's push it.
There's the right one.
Time to work on the left.
These shoes hurt.
These shoes hurt. I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up.
I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up.
I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up. I'm pooping. Look at this. That's good work for a first try, huh?
Oh man, except for that brown smudge.
I have to wash it. I did just poop it out. I'll get that fixed before I wear it.
Man. This is a big pencil for big mistakes. Let's try to erase one now.
I'm being erased. It really wrote on your face.
I have a mustache. Now I am a Frenchman. Oui, oui. Si, I am a Frenchman speaking Spanish. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
I'm good. And American. Look, she's erasing a mistake. Your face.
Oh, there goes the bracelet.
My necklace.
We really aren't that funny.
Only to each other.
Nobody else gets our lame humor. Rockabye and
Sauce. Go to sleep, little saucy bee. That's all the funny I got. That's all the funny she ever has.
It's gotten me this far. Okay, this was B Sauce
And S sauce.
signing off. We're good.
That's a wrap.
Okay. All right, fellas. Let's go! It's been getting so